Hi guys, welcome to IFTTT Backlink Commando and thank you for purchasing. If you purchase the front end version, this is what you will see. You'll see you've got 6 SEO strategy tabs and we'll go through these. We'll do one video for each, just one short video each so that you understand exactly what they are. You've got the account creator, you've got a settings tab and you've got a proxies tab. So let's start with the proxies and the settings, okay? What you can see here is I've already added some proxies earlier. Now I need to clear these because I'm using IP authenticated proxies, and to do that simply just click on clear proxies, right? So over here I'm going to come over to Squid proxies, which is the preferred proxies for this particular software. We just find it works better with IP authenticated proxies, and what that means is it will work according to your IP address that you're using the proxies from. Okay, so the first thing I need to do is go over to authorized IPs inside Squid proxies, and you can see here my IP address is up here, and you can see I've actually got it in there. So if I just click on add to authorization list here, you can see it's already added there, so it's not going to add it again. Then just click on submit if it is anything different from what you've already got in here. Then once that is done, you can come over to where it says assigned proxies, and once that is open, we can just simply copy all of this and come over to the software and click on add proxies. Come over here, add the proxies, add the items, and that's it, done. Okay, now I can go and click to start checking proxies. The thing is, with IP authenticated proxies, you need to give them 2 or 3 minutes to propagate. Okay, just give them 2 or 3 minutes and we'll come back and check this at the end of this video, and hopefully they will all be green by that time. Okay, so let's go over to the settings tab, and you can see we've got 3 tabs within the settings tab here. The first one, general settings, run IFTTT Backlink Commando at Windows Startup. I usually keep this one checkboxed, and you can click on enable schedule tasks. Now in the front end version, that will be useful if, for example, in the account creator over here, if I go into the bulk account creators, you can see this tab here that says create accounts evenly over 30 days. Now I don't do that with this particular software. I prefer just to do 10 profiles at a time. Once I've got 10, I save them and I assign them to an IFTTT strategy, to an SEO strategy from these on the left hand side, and then I just go and create another 10 or so. Okay, if you want to do sort of 30 over 10 days or 300 over 10 days, you can do it like that. I just find that by doing 10 at a time, I can manage my capture balance, and I can manage the quality of the proxies as well, without it going over and giving me a bunch of dead accounts. So I just find personally doing 10 at a time is enough. If you've got the front end version, that's the way I suggest you use it. Don't use this enable schedule tasks, just use this one at the top here that says run IFTTT Backlink Commando at Windows Startup. Okay, now the capture solving, really simple stuff. Death by capture or decapture. Put a username, put a password, choose which one it is. Just whenever you start the software up, come back into this tab every time. Sometimes you find it goes back up here to enter captures manually, and that means that you're getting that pop-up happening all the time. If that pop-up keeps happening when you've got balance in there, you probably find it's actually moved. This tab is moved up here, and it will have happened only after you have restarted the software. If that does happen, what you do is come over to the account creator, go over to this section here where it says force stop bulk account creator. Click on that. That will stop the accounts being created. That will stop the pop-ups from happening. Come back over here to the auto capture solving. Choose the one that you've got. Click on check the balance. And once it has been checked to balance, then you can simply save your settings and you are done. Okay. And we've got indexers that we're working with. These are third-party indexers. You can see we're using indexification, 1 hour indexing, instant link indexer. Okay, if you're using any of those 3, you can put an API key for any of those and it will work perfectly fine. We may add some more if there's one that you really want to see in here. If there's enough demand for it, we will add it. It's not a big deal for us to do that for you. If there's an index that you really prefer to use, just let us know. Okay, so that's the proxies, that's the settings. Let's just come back over to the proxies and we can start checking these now. and we're giving it a couple of minutes to propagate, because these are IP authenticated. And you can see we've got a couple of failed ones here, and if I give this just another minute more, probably I will get all green. You just need a little bit longer to get authenticated, propagated, because they are IP authenticated proxies. Let me just run it one more time. Okay, let me just run one more time, and we should, after about 3-4 minutes, we should have all green. But sometimes it does funny stuff. Okay. If you get a situation like this, all we have to do is click on where it says delete proxies. You can delete this one that says bad proxies, and you're left with just good ones that you want to use. Okay, and that works perfectly fine. Now I use squid proxies. I just find them really good quality proxies for this particular tool, whereas some other tools I will use shared proxies. For this one I use squid proxies. I just find it works far better. Okay, so in the next video we'll look at the account creator, and then we will look at the strategy tabs here on the left hand side.